Voice to text isn't working or isn't available on your iPhone? You may also know this feature as dictation. Maybe the microphone icon is missing from your keyboard, or dictation is turned on but your iPhone isn't recognizing your voice. If you're having any of these problems, follow my video tutorial step by step. First, please make sure dictation is enabled in your iPhone keyboard settings. Open the Settings app, go to General, tap Keyboard, and find Enable Dictation. Make sure it's turned on. If it's already on, turn it off for about 15 seconds, and then turn it back on. Now, go to the Messages app and try Voice to Text again. On the keyboard, you should now see the microphone icon. Tap the microphone and start speaking to check whether your iPhone converts your voice into text. The second thing you have to check is content and privacy restrictions inside the screen time settings. For some users, this setting might not be set up correctly. Open Settings, go to Screen Time, and then open Content and Privacy Restrictions. Click on the Allowed Apps and Features setting and make sure the dictation toggle is green. This is iOS 27 screen. In your case, it may be Siri and Dictation. If this switch is white or turned off, the microphone icon may not show up on your iPhone keyboard, and Siri may also be grayed out or unavailable in your iPhone settings. Now, what if dictation is available and the microphone icon is showing, but your iPhone still doesn't recognize your voice? In that case, follow these steps. First, make sure your iPhone isn't connected to a Bluetooth device, such as Apple AirPods Pro, another Bluetooth audio device, an external speaker, or CarPlay. If it is connected, disconnect the device first and try Voice to Text again. Go to your Bluetooth settings. Find the connected device, tap the Information button next to it, and use the Forget This Device option to remove it from your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Alternatively, you can turn off Bluetooth completely and check whether dictation starts working. If Voice to Text still isn't working, force restart your iPhone and test it again. Also, remove your phone case temporarily, especially if it could be covering or interfering with one of the microphones. Next, check for a software update and install the latest available iOS version. And finally, if nothing else works, reset all settings can also be an ideal solution for this problem. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked like a charm and Voice to Text is working again on your iPhone. If it worked, comment below and tell me which solution fixed it for you. That can also help other iPhone users experiencing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.